Hi, my name is John Turner. I'm the Energy Manager for Wright Facilities Management. We operate the water park in the Lake District, and recently it was decided that the radiators needed upgrading from the old storage heaters that we'd had in place for some 20 years. The building at the water park is 200 years old and it contains a lot of ornate features. It was extremely important that we maintain these features and the building's character. We had some unique colour demands and also some tricky sizes that were required. The options available from Northwest Heating ensured that this wasn't a problem for us. The challenging element of this project was fitting all 97 radiators around the operational demands of the building. The building operates 49 weeks of the year, 7 days a week, and Northwest Heating were given the near impossible task of removing and fitting all radiators around the operational schedule. Additionally, and most importantly, it was important that we employed a company that fully appreciated the health and safety demands of this site, where children occupied the building 24 hours a day. Northwest Heating supplied a full risk assessment and stuck to this throughout the entire project. The final result was fantastic and far better than we could have ever hoped. We employed many different contractors and trades to maintain the water park, and Northwest Heating fitted in perfectly. The installers and electricians from Northwest Heating did a fantastic job and worked well with all our staff from the water park. The heating system we now have in place at the water park is a fantastic improvement. We now have total controllability on times and temperatures in different parts of the building. The app that we use to control the system is extremely user friendly. I have no hesitation in recommending Northwest Heating and their heating solutions.